Welcome to this 15-minute Pilates Power Flow class where you're going to engage into your strong legs, strong arms, and we're not going to forget the center body. So this is going to be an effective total body workout, perfect if you've been moving with Pilates for a while and you want a little challenge but you don't have much time. Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. This is a place where we come together on the Pilates mat for an effective workout so you can step off your mat and enjoy your day. If you're ready for this Power Pilates class, join me on the mat. Let's go ahead and begin towards the front edge of your mat. Feet parallel to one another. Take a deep breath and feel yourself ground down through your feet. So strong legs, strong feet, pressing down even though we're not moving quite yet. Keep breathing in and out. Breath in and out. As you keep breathing, bend the knees, hips go back, arms reach forward, legs go straight, arms press. Bend to press. So we're starting double leg option. Rather than Pilates footwork where we stay vertical, I want you to let the hips reach back behind you a little bit. That will relate to the next movement we're doing, our lunge position. Deep breathing to get you through this movement and the entire class. 2. Last one. Take one leg back behind you. Front leg goes straight and bend, straight and bend. Press evenly into that front foot. Back leg strong and powerful, even though it's not moving. And keep taking deep breaths for yourself here. Where can you relax? Focus more on lower body strength right now. One last time. Back leg into front, bend both legs straight. Bend to straight. So we're doing a few double leg option before switching sides. One last time. Very nice. Opposite leg goes back. Extend. Extend. So really feeling secure in where the legs are on the mat, finding deeper connection to your breath, to your strength, and where can you find ease? Where can you relax a little bit more? Just a few more times here. Very nice. Back leg to front. Both legs go straight. Bend. So if your legs need a little bit of a break, stay vertical or keep your knees bent. One arm reaches down to rotate, return. Second arm will rotate. So legs bent, legs straight, going into your spine rotation regardless. Woo! With bent leg option, I'm feeling the work for sure. One more time each side. Both legs straight, roll yourself down. Bend the knees, rolling like a ball. Inhale, exhale. Deep breathing. I'm not gonna do too many more of these. One last time. Legs go straight as well as arms. Reverse, roll yourself down. Float the legs up 100. Breathing out, breathing in. You can always bend the knees as an option. Straighter to the ceiling or low to the floor. You're after strong work in the abs. Still breathing deeply. Leg position secondary. Another breath. Pause, roll yourself up, stretch yourself forward. Roll yourself right back down, just onto low spine. Roll yourself up, stretch forward. Roll yourself down. Low spine. Roll yourself up. Stretch forward. Finishing 100 off. Roll down. Float the legs. Pump the arms. Breathing deeply for yourself here. Strong legs. Deep breath. Powerful arms. Another breath. Rolling yourself up. Open the legs. Stretch forward. Roll up. Stretch forward. Roll up. Breathing out. And in. Still strong legs here. 2 more times. Allow yourself to stay upright next time. Arms open. Rotate. Center. Second side. Back to spine rotation. No leg work with this. Thank goodness. Just allowing yourself focus on your strong arms, strong rotation with the spine as well. One more time, each side. Stay center, cross at the ankles and come on to hands and knees right away. Hips up to the ceiling. Take a breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Your next breath. Let one foot come forward. Rotate towards that bent knee. So we're in side plank, 1 foot down here. Lower hips down, hips up. Lower hips down, hips up. One last time. Now, bend bottom leg straight. Bend bottom leg straight. Bend bottom straight. Rotate, plank, hips up, second side. Here we go. Opposite foot forward, rotate. We lower down, up. You can move with the arm as well. Stay up, bend the knee, straight. Bottom leg goes bend and straight. Last time. Rotate, hips up. Breathe, inhale. Exhale. You repeat or keep both legs straight. Come to plank. Rotate one side. Lower down, up, lower, lift. One more time. Bend both knees. Press up. Both legs. Press. Pause. Plank. Hips up. Remember, 1 foot forward or stay in your plank. Second side. Lower, lift. Lower and up. Stay up. Bend knees. Just 2 and 1. Rotate plank. Bend the elbows. Lower yourself down. Inhale, spine lift. Exhale, lower down. Leg lift. Lower. So we go spine. We go leg. Breathing. Now spine and legs, lower down. Spine and legs, lower down. Stay lifted. Swim with your legs. Down and up, down and up. Arms reach back behind you. Keep breathing. Arms open across from the shoulders. Arms reach in front of you. Hands can come down for support or swim it out arms. Still breathing deeply. Another deep breath here. Pause, hands underneath the shoulders. Push yourself up. High plank. Knees come down, round through your spine. Natural curves. Round through the spine. Natural curves. Round through the spine. Keep it here or take your hands forward a step. Tuck your toes. Knees lift. Round through your spine. Natural curves. Round, natural curves, round, press the pelvis back and forward. Stay round, back and forward. So pelvis moving, breathing. One last time. Nice, knees down, natural curves. Replace your hands here. Sweep one arm back, big rotation. Hand through. Opposite arm back, big rotation. Through. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time each side. Very nice, stay here. And go back to high plank, both legs straight, one leg lift and down, opposite leg lift. So just doing one leg lift, alternating legs, we're adding on next time. Lift, rock front, back, lower. Lift, rock front, back, lower. Breathing. Almost there. One, knees down, come up off the hands, open arms across from the shoulders. Inhale, exhale, tip over to one side. Opposite leg lifts, extend the leg. Flex, kick front, reach back. Side kick front, back. Breathing out, in. Strong arm, strong shoulder. 2, 1. Nice. Strong leg goes down. Reach arm ceiling. Lift up bottom thigh. Tap it down. Lift. Tap it down. Breathing out and in. 2, 1. Bring yourself up. Take a breath. Switch sides. Second side, leg lift. Extend. Front. Reach back. Front and back. Breathing out and in. Strong legs. 2, 1. Strong leg press down. Arm can go ceiling. Lift. Bottom thigh lift. Maybe it's just the intention to lift. 2. Last one. Nice. Bring yourself up. Open arms, breathe, stretch over side. And up. Stretch over second side. And up. Use breath. One more time. Each side. Very nice. Hands come underneath shoulders, hips up to the ceiling. Roll through the spine, stay here. Pull one knee in, replace. Opposite thigh in, replace. Breathing out and in. 2, 1, hips up. Walk the feet forward to the hands. Bend the knees, roll yourself upright. Now stay vertical with your spine this time. Heels together, toes apart, small knee bend. So we're not pivoting forward anymore. We already did that at the beginning of the session. Staying vertical, more Pilates footwork style. Bend the knees. Sink lower, lower, lower. Come right back up. Repeat. Bend the knees. Down, 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 and up. Strong legs. Trying to keep vertical alignment. Doesn't have to be perfect. Little wobbles, reminding you to try to stay a little bit more centered. 2 more times. One last time. Very nice. Legs parallel, heel lift. Lift, lift. So we're slowing down the class a little bit. Keep breathing. 2, 1. Now, pull one heel in towards you. Pivot your shape forward. On a squishy mat, this is a lot more challenging. Come right back up, switch sides. Pull heel in, keep the heel tight in, pivot forward, and coming up. Again, first side, bend. Find that pivot forward. Coming up. So if you want to challenge, you stay on your mat. You want to feel maybe a little bit more balanced, step off your mat onto a more stable surface. Especially if you're on a padded, squishy Pilates mat. It's more challenging than a yoga mat. One more time. But we're up for the challenge today. No matter what option you're choosing. Very nice, stay vertical. Now, lift one leg up. Extend the leg in front of you. Bend the knee, return, switch. Now keep your thigh lifted. You can even put one hand on your thigh as it lifts. And I don't care if the leg goes all the way straight. Maybe it doesn't. More important to keep the high lift of the leg here. One last time. Very nice. Both feet down, press into feet. Roll yourself down. Breathing, breathing, breathing. You can bend the knees or legs stay more straight. Rolling up. Breathing. Take a breath for yourself here. Rolling right back down. We'll just do one last time. Vertical. Keep breathing in and out. I promised you a challenging and powerful class. Hopefully that class delivered for you and you were challenged in just the right way, because challenges, those are our opportunities for growth. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to keep moving in a way that feels motivating. If you enjoyed that challenging Pilates class and want to get even more benefits from the Pilates method, the best thing that you can do is follow a plan. And if you enjoyed that class, you're going to love the 14-day Pilates challenge, featuring 14 workouts at a variety of different levels. So this challenge is different than other Trifecta Pilates series because we're not just focusing on beginner or level 1 workouts, we're mixing it up with different level classes, different pace, different focus from strength, flexibility, and mobility. We'll move on the Pilates mat without equipment, and we'll also incorporate small pieces of equipment as well. The thing is, even if you don't have all of the pieces of equipment, I'm going to give you helpful workarounds so you can still move with every single workout. All that you need to do to get started is sign up using the link below in the first comment. When you do that, I'll send you extra tips, a workout calendar, and the workouts straight to your inbox. If you love at-home Pilates workouts and they're really ready to be more consistent, get even more benefits out of the Pilates method, make sure that you sign up for the 14-day Pilates series. We're going to make sure that this plan works for you with extra tips to get you started. Because at the end of the day, a little bit of personalization goes a long way. Sign up using the link below in the first comment. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I cannot wait for you to join me for the 14-day Pilates challenge.